Tool Lots. Reliable equipment. Fast.
Hi, my name is Kyle LaRue and I'm with Tool Lots, and today we're going to be talking about Ving's 8-station, 8-color screen print machine. This machine is a great device for DIYers looking to develop their own t-shirts, as well as people looking to develop their own screen printing businesses. This machine comes with 18-inch by 24-inch pallets. It has independent rotation of the screen mounts and the pallet mounts. It comes equipped with 4 casters for easy mobility. It also comes with spring tension adjustment knobs, and this allows for varying thickness of materials to be used with this machine. So some of the other features that are on the clamping system themselves, you can see here we have multiple adjustments to adjust the pitch angle of the clamping system, which allows for accurate image positioning. So now that we've gone over some of the basics of the machine, let's go ahead and begin the install. So as you can see here, we have all of our components laid out that are going to be sent with your machine. So for the install, all you're going to need is a number 8 Allen, and this will actually come with the machine in its own separate toolbox, but I'm going to go ahead and use mine. So let's go ahead and open up our bag of bolts here. So first, we're going to begin by installing our clamping system. So you can see here we have 2 opening positions here for these screws. Oh, actually looks like we got them installed already. Grab our clamp here. Okay, now that we have our clamp installed, let's go ahead and install our 2 arms of the clamping system. And these, you're going to want the mounting bracket placed on the inside of the machine, and these are used to clamp your screen into place. So we'll go ahead and loosen up our back clamp like so. It should slide on nice and easy. And for now, we're just going to tighten it down in place. These will have to be adjusted later depending on your screen frame size. Grab our second arm here. Again, we'll make sure our clamps are on the inside. Slide it in place, and we're just going to temporarily tighten it down. Okay, now we have our 2 arms installed. Let's go ahead and install the arm for the pallet. You can see that the pallet arm actually has a slot, and on the bottom side of the pallet are some adjustable screws. So these actually slide in and hold the pallet into place. So you're going to want to make sure that your pallet arm is installed upside down, or with the slot facing down. Want to make sure that your pallet arm is as level as possible so you get a nice even finish on your t-shirt. Tighten those down. Okay. And our last component to install is our pallet. So we'll come over here, grab our pallet, and we'll go ahead and install the pallet with the curved edge facing out. So the pallet should slide on like so. And we're going to temporarily screw this into place. The pallet has 5 different screws that hold the pallet in place, that clamp it to the pallet arm. We have the 2 on the bottom, and then we have 2 Allens on one side and then another Allen on the other side. And there you go. There's the basic assembly. Let's go ahead and finish up the other 7 stations. Okay, so that completes our installation process for the 8-station, 8-color Ving screen print machine. You can pay attention to the installation time displayed on your screen to get a general idea of how long it will take one individual to assemble this machine. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.